Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on December 16, 2025, about 3 days ago. This paper introduces Puzzle Curriculum GRPO, a supervision-free way to post-train vision language models using self-supervised puzzle rewards, which improves reasoning quality, training stability, and end task accuracy without annotations or external verifiers. The paper is titled Puzzle Curriculum GRPO for Vision-Centric Reasoning. And as we'll see later, the mix of verifiable puzzle tasks plus a medium difficulty curriculum leads to surprisingly robust gains. Figure 1 means the puzzle curriculum approach holds up competitively across a wide spread of visual reasoning tests, rather than winning on just one niche benchmark. The main radar chart compares several baselines to the author's model, and the dashed outline tends to sit near the outer edge, which signals stronger overall scores, especially on MADAM Clean, and MMVP. The legend at the bottom maps each colored shape to a method, so the overlap shows where gaps are small versus decisive. Figure 2 means the method improves not just accuracy, but the faithfulness of the reasoning that leads to an answer. The left panel sets up a simple visual question about counting eyes in a photo of 2 rabbits. The top right block shows current group relative policy optimization failures, because the model can overthink, take a shortcut, or give an answer that contradicts its own reasoning. The bottom right block shows PC-GRPO producing a visually grounded rationale and a matching final answer. Figure 3 means the whole training loop stays self-supervised, because the model learns from puzzle checks instead of human labels. The full diagram shows 3 puzzle types at the top, including jigsaw, patch fit, and rotation, each with a clearly verifiable target answer. The lower panel shows multiple rollouts producing different reasoning and answer pairs, which then receive rewards, including partial credit. The right side highlights a difficulty curriculum and a reasoning answer consistency monitor that keeps the rationale aligned with the final answer as training progresses. Table 1 means the puzzle-based post-training transfers to real vision benchmarks, not just the puzzles themselves. The full table compares baseline models against the author's variants across tests like MEDAM, POPE, and MMVP, so higher numbers indicate better downstream performance. The lower block shows that adding curriculum learning and consistency enforcement often lifts scores, with rotation plus curriculum learning plus care and the mix setting looking especially strong on several columns. Figure 5 means the curriculum and consistency rewards make training steadier, and they keep the model's rationale aligned with its final answer. This figure shows 4 time series over training steps, with each line representing a different variant. The reward variance plot drops and stabilizes, which signals less noisy learning, while the reasoning answer consistency plot stays higher with curriculum and GRPO care. The response length plot shows that some variants also shorten outputs, so the model does not ramble while improving rewards. Table 3 means the gains look even more convincing once the authors remove mislabeled benchmark items. This table shows clean scores across millimeter star, MEDAM-E, color bench, and seed bench, and it also lists the percent of removed samples per benchmark. The upper block compares external baselines, while the blue R-variance block shows puzzle training plus curriculum learning and GRPO care. Okay, the strongest rows tend to be the combined recipes, which suggests label noise was masking improvements. Alright, 2 takeaways stand out. First, self-supervised puzzle rewards can replace human labels and external verifiers, while still improving vision-centric reasoning and downstream accuracy. Second, the medium difficulty curriculum and reasoning answer consistency checks make training more stable and keep rationales aligned with answers, which matters for trust. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.